Welcome to the premiere episode of Floof Bistro, where I share camping recipes that you can make from your motorcycle. Tonight at camp, we're making a warm chicken curry ramen soup. Start by putting a little bit of olive oil in your pan and seasoning and sauteing your chicken breast. Then you can dice up all your veggies. Once the chicken's mostly cooked, you can take that out and dump all of your chopped up veggies in the pan and season to your heart's content. I use salt, pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of cumin, and some yellow curry. I keep all my spices in these little containers that I found at the craft store. Cook the veggies until they're tender and then cube up the chicken and add it back to the pan. I use the jet boil to heat up the water for the broth, but this is optional. Once your veggies look good, transfer them out of the skillet and into the pot. Add the water from the jet boil to your pot and add a cube of chicken bouillon. At this stage, I also add the yellow curry powder. I just do this to taste, maybe a tablespoon or two. Stir it up, and then from here add whatever other spices sound good. Here I added some parsley. Last, you want to add your coconut milk and your ramen packet, and I also throw in the flavor packet in there as well. Serve it up, and you have a really satisfying meal after a long day of riding.